Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Brilante Max Serum. First, begin by thoroughly cleansing your face with a gentle facial cleanser. This ensures your skin is free from impurities and ready to absorb the serum effectively. Next, gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel, leaving it slightly damp. Finally, make sure your hands are clean before you dispense any product. These initial steps are crucial for maximizing the serum's benefits. Once your skin is prepped, it's time for application. Dispense just 2 to 3 drops of Brilante Max Serum onto your fingertips. Remember, a small amount goes a long way. Gently dab the serum onto your face and neck, focusing on areas where you desire brightening. Then, use light, upward, and outward motions to spread the serum evenly across your skin. Avoid pulling or tugging your skin during this process. After applying the serum, allow it to fully absorb into your skin for about 1 to 2 minutes. You'll feel your skin becoming smooth and hydrated. Following this, apply your preferred moisturizer to seal in the serum's benefits and provide additional hydration. For optimal results, incorporate Brilante Max Serum into your daily skincare routine, applying it twice a day, once in the morning and again in the evening. To ensure the longevity and efficacy of your Brilante Max Serum, store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Before your first full application, we recommend performing a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area of skin. With consistent use, you can expect to see brighter, more even-toned skin, with visible improvements often appearing in as little as 4 to 6 weeks. Enjoy your radiant complexion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.